DOD 2.0. In this review, I'm going over the new course by Ronald Chin. I'm going to go through each module, give you guys a general idea what it's about, what each module will cover, what you can expect out of the course, and then at the end I'm going to give you a couple of pros and cons regarding the course and a general outline of who the course is for and who can benefit the most from using or going through this course. Now, first off, general welcome and meet the coach. Ronald introduces himself. There's a couple of links to some of the funnels that is available, templates, blueprints. There's also a link to the Facebook private group for DOD, where Ronald has 2 live coaching calls each week, where he goes over the program, covers it a bit more, where he gives some hints and advice, and then where you can also have an opportunity to raise any questions if you have. Now, the first training module is the ultimate foundations. Now, the foundations is basically the building block of this whole process. It's the whole building block to affiliate marketing, where everything is covered that you need to know. This is like from your ecosystem, the Facebook algorithm, getting traffic, building know, like, and trust, building your audience, building reach. Everything that you need to know when starting out is covered completely in the foundations module. What I like about the way Ronald set up this whole system is that in each video where it is required, he has given a PDF, a document that you can print out. Somebody like me that takes notes makes this a lot easier. Simply print it out and then just add any notes that you want. So on the sideline, yeah, that's quite nice to have. Next up is your lead gen accelerator. Now, this is all about the Facebook aspect. DOD is centralized around Facebook organic. So lead gen accelerator is geared to Facebook organic. Content creation, Facebook reels, creating lead magnets, anything to drive traffic towards your Facebook group chats, anywhere where you can monetize, build relationships, build your know, like, and trust, and grow your ecosystem. Offer stack. Now, this is all about building the ultimate signature offer. This is where Ronald goes into offer creation, structuring of your offer, how to utilize it, what you have in there, how to build the perfect offer that you can give to your clients as soon as they state that they are interested in what you have to sell. He uses different examples, and what's nice about it is it's not necessarily just for digital products. It is geared into such a way that anybody who has even a small business can start utilizing offer stacks. Next up is your group chat monetization. It is not a group in itself, it's a chat that you can use to monetize, grow, get to know, share, that kind of thing. In the module, Ron goes over setting everything up, how to do some nurturing and follow-ups, monetization, and he gives some blueprints that you can utilize to get the most results out of your group chat. Next up, talking about groups, is your central hub. That's your private group. In this module, Ronald goes over all aspects of the private group, your setting, your cover, about, all the things you need to know, membership questions, guide sections, everything that's in there. He gears to such a degree that you can utilize it to the highest advantage when trying to build your community and your ecosystem. Connect all the dots. That's basically just how everything fits together, how it works, and how to get it all up and running and set up together. Basically, like it says, connecting all the dots. Now, the first bonus section is the automation. In that, Ronald goes over all the automation parts for your group, your CRM, email automation, funnels, everything that you need to automate this whole ecosystem so that you have more time to spend on items or parts such as your content creation, video creation, those kind of things that take a bit more time and require you to put a little bit more effort in, so you can have a lot more free time to do things like that build your leads and your system a lot quicker. Profit zone, that is basically what it says. That is utilizing everything to bring in some profit. That is, for instance, product launches. If you want to launch your own product or a new product, how to get your client from a free product up to a high ticket sale. The whole process there, your signature offer, everything is covered in there. This course is quite a monster. It is a lot bigger than I expected, but which is a nice thing. Ronald went above and beyond on this course. He put a lot of effort, a lot of time in here. There's a lot of information. He sets it out, and he also instructs you to do it in a 4-week setup, where each week covers something else, slowly but surely building your ecosystem, not getting overwhelmed, and making sure that everything fits into place. Pros and cons. Cons wise, I can say only thing is it is a big course. Don't expect to do this in a day or two like some of the other courses. If you really want to get the most benefit from this course, take some time, work through it, get to everything get to know everything in here, learn it by heart, to get the real benefits of this. That's the only con I really have, is the size. Like I said, it's not a bad thing. I was not expecting it, so don't expect a small course. It's not going to be a day or two course, really. It's an 81 part course, which is quite a decent one. Pros, I have to say, the amount of information, the detail Ronald went into. Everything is set up in such a way that it becomes an automated business at the end of the day. He goes and answers basically any question you would have. He gives you all the tools you need. So basically, when you've done this course and you've utilized everything that he has given you, you have an up and running, fully automated ecosystem where you only feed it with content, DM or Zoom call every now and then, but it eliminates a lot of that excess stuff that you normally would do. Who is this course for? Beginner affiliate marketers, struggling affiliate marketers, if you're not getting sales consistently, and even small businesses all can use this course to grow, start, and become more omnipresent in the Facebook market. It is really a course that, if you are struggling, will eliminate a lot of the areas in your business where it is not working, that is causing you to lose sales. It shows you how to build the perfect offer. So even if you get thousands of clients, your offer isn't correct, you're not going to get sales. Ronald eliminates that. If you are new to affiliate marketing, from foundation onwards, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, especially high ticket on Facebook and even outside Facebook, this is in here. If you've got any questions, guys, please feel free to drop me a comment. There's going to be a link below to my Facebook group if you want. Otherwise, I'll hope to see you in there very soon. Give me a like, give me a follow, and have a look out. Subscribe. I'm releasing some new videos every week. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.